Iliana. Dribbling the ball to Malinay number 12. Pulido number 27. Iliana, 15-second shot clock. Malinay number 12. Double T. Guzman. Now move. Basket. Tantoka number 41. Indiana, pass for 3. Pulido, no good. Rebound by Moralia. Moralia to Indiana. Number 0. Puts it up. No good. Rebound save. Steal. Number 13. Pass fade. 7 minutes. And 6 seconds remaining time. Last period. Got the ball by jersey number 12. Manila to Indiana. Indiana number 0 harassed by De Guzman. Manila. Muralla. Double team. Steal by De Guzman. Side step. Now go. Rebound battle. Rebound by Manila number 12. To Muralla number 0. Pass fake, Pulido number 27, Laredo, layup, basket. Good for Tobias by Laredo number 98. Number 13. Test pass. Barbo, Loper, now good. Moravia in the rebound. To Pulido number 27. To Iliana number 0. Harassed by Secreto, Iliana to Laredo. First free throw. No good. Second free throw by Laredo number 98. No good. Tantoko in the rebound. Tantoko. Drive number 41. Guzman. Fake. Guzman. No good. Rebound by Iliana. Test pass. Muralla. One shot. No good. Rebound by Muralla. Balinay. Crossover. Balinay goes inside. Guzman to number 13. Vision number 13. Crossover. Screen by Tantoco. Step back. Secreto. No good. Muralla in the rebound. To number 4. Number 27. Laredo number 9. Iliana number 0. Iliana now goes inside, slung to the basket. Good for the boys by Iliana. Parbo number 1. Parbo puts it up. Guzman, floater. Tantoka number 41. Turnover. Number 0 to number 0. Iliana. Cross the lane. Harassed by Muralla. Iliana get inside. Kick out. Pulido. Save shot for 2. Wala. Number 41. Pass break play. To Secreto. Parbo number 1. Parbo. Step back. For 3. No good. Rebound by Laredo. Steal. Parbo. Floater. No good. Rebound by Muralla. Pass to Malinay. Iliana. Number 0. Iliana. You see the board. No good. Follow up. Iliana. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 13. Kisha. Battle sa whistle. Carito. To Tantoco. Number 41. Tantoco number 41. Pull up. Short. Rebound by number 7, Malaya, number 7, dribbling the ball. Feed away by Iliana, short. Feed away, Mantile, no good. Number 1, pass for 3. Parbo, Tantoco. Save, goal shot, basket. Ano number 7 to Iliana? Crossing to the midcourt, Indiana, number 0. To Malinay, number 12. Feed away. Mantile, no good. Rebound by Parbo. To Leia by Secreto. Backward solution. Free throw by Secreto. No good. Second free throw by Secreto, number 0. Second free throw by Secreto, number 9. No good. Manayang in the rebound. Fast break. Substitution. Yan na. Siyempre yan. Oh, substitution. Secreto out. Lorenzo, number 11. 3 minutes and 9. Antongo out. Antongo out. 3 minutes and 9. Exactly 3 minutes. Right shot. Malinaw na rebound. Indiana, backward solution, traveling violation. 2 minutes. Tarito, pass for 3, no good. Lorenzo, number 11 in the rebound. Shot clock 5, still. Matile, number 11, Indiana. Layup, basket counted. Bonus free throw by Indiana, number 000. No good. Rebound by Serkenya, backward solution. Foul by Indiana. 24, Clarito. Get the ball by number 3, Serkenya. Back to Clarito, number 24. Clarito, steal by Manayan. Pass by Indiana. Layup, basket, 46-34. 12 na lang ang lamang. 2 minutes and 15. 2 minutes and 10. Long pass, Bigos Man, Clarito, number 24. 2 minutes and 5. Clarito, backward solution. Jersey number 7. Number 24. Basket, good for 1 point by Clarito, number 24 from the free throw lane. Second free throw by Clarito, number 24. Complete from the free throw lane. Last 2 minutes. Number 7, Manayan. Dribbling the ball. Get inside. Butler Savisel. Foul. Foul by jersey number 0. Taas na kamay. Bilis man. First free throw by jersey number 7. Yes, basket. Second free throw by jersey number 7, Manayan. Kabu. Big rebound by Mantili, number 11. Iliana, number 0. Pass to Mantili, side step, no good. Bigosman in the rebound. Bigosman running on the floor. After the key. Carrito, 15-second shot back. To Sartenia. Bigosman, no good. Rebound by Sartenia. Same ball. Basket. Good counterpunch by Bigosman. 1 minute and 10. 15-second shot clock. 1 minute and 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Spin move. Manaya, no good. 24, 55. 50. Butler service and foul. First free throw by Iliana, basket. Second free throw by Iliana. $36.50. 14 pang lamang. Second free throw by Iliana, no good. Rebound by Mantile. Head ball, 46 seconds. $45. Guzman, Secreto, 35. 30. 5 seconds shot clock. No good. 25. Kaya Piliana, no good. Borja in the rebound. 15. 10. 5. And at the ball game, wala mo nang alis na player. Wala mo nang alis na player. And at the ball game, congratulations, white team, and thank